Welcome back to my channel for another helpful lash video. If you're new to our channel and you haven't joined, please do so by turning on our post notifications and hitting that subscribe button. Welcome, ladies. I am in the middle of moving, so that's why it looks crazy back there. I don't know if you guys can see all my crazy stuff. We are moving, so I have been a little less active, so I apologize for that. But as soon as we get settled in, I will be doing a lot more videos for you guys. If you haven't checked out my live stream that I did, I will link it above for you so you guys can head over there and check it out. It's a good one. It was my first live stream. If you guys like the live stream thing, comment down below and let me know. I will do more of them. I'm thinking about doing a live stream of me doing a set, like a super raw video. No editing, just set it up and you guys can watch what I'm doing. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I lash from underneath the natural lash. This is my favorite technique when it comes to applying the lashes onto the extension. The reason why I like this technique so much is because I'm able to have a lot more control of the placement. I find it to be a lot easier than attaching from the side or on top, especially when a client has a curly lash. Natural lashing underneath is a lot easier. If you have questions on the technique, please comment down below. Again, I'm always live in the comments for like the first hour of the video. So definitely be in the comments asking as many questions as possible. I announced my official launch date for my lashes, so those will be launching this Saturday. March 30th at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you haven't gotten your lashes these last few times, then you will be able to get them this time. Again, the site will stay as stocked as possible, so if you have been considering getting them, please do and use code KINS for 10% off your first order. Let's jump into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're excited, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. So let's jump in. Lash fam, that does conclude my tutorial on how to apply the extension from underneath the natural lash. If you learned something new and you enjoyed the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you have questions again on this technique, please comment down below. When I am applying the extension to the natural lash, I am doing the exact same thing as you would do if you were applying on top. The only difference is I'm coming from underneath the natural lash and I'm applying it directly to the base, and then it is bonding to the natural lash's natural curve. Another reason why I really enjoy this technique is because it hides the natural lash into the curl. Instead of placing it on top, the curl especially on clients with straight lashes, the curl will kind of stick out a little bit more, so you're able to see the natural lash, as when you do it from underneath, it blends into that natural curl. So these are just simple techniques. This is one of many out there, and they are all preference, what is easiest for you. Sometimes I do apply from right on top if it is easier and necessary. One other reason why I enjoy this technique so much is a lot of you are asking if I apply onto the skin, which no, we don't do that, but this technique almost makes it look as if it is that close, even though it is not. But it gives kind of that illusion. If you guys want to see a tour of my room, let me know in the comments. I know a lot of people have been requesting that they see my lash room tour thing, so I'm down to show you guys that. Also, I think that would be fun. A lot of people get inspo from it and stuff like that, so I would love to do that. If you guys have any other recommendations for videos, I'm always open to it. I'm serving you, so please let me know. Make sure you grab your lashes, your tweezers, and your classic lashes. Everything will be available on the site and this weekend, so make sure you head over there. Free shipping on orders over 200, and you can always use the code KINS for 10% off your first order. I hope you guys love them. Tag us in your work. Join us on Instagram. Subscribe to our channel. Turn on your post notifications. That way you're always updated on what is going on here at Lashes by KINS. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again for tuning in for my videos. Thank you for being a part of the Lash family, and I will see you guys later this week.